How to navigate DataCamp dashboard. Are you guys facing issues to navigate DataCamp dashboard? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. When you log in into DataCamp dashboard or website, you will land on a dashboard which is usually your learning hub. At the top, you will be able to view your profile icon, your courses section, your certifications, your sandbox, and many options. In the main area, you'll find your current courses and progress bar showing how far you have come. Scroll down to see recommended courses, tracks, and skill assignments based on your learning goals. On the top left navigation bar, you can switch between courses, track, workspaces, certification, and career option. The dashboard also highlights any streaks, achievements, or certificates you have earned. If you ever want to explore something new, use the search bar to quickly find courses over here. Courses like Python, SQL, Power BI, and many other courses that you can practice or learn. If the dashboard is designed to keep your learning organized and motivate you to continue where you left off. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna navigate dashboard on the DataCamp. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.